In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF through Gmail. If you've ever found yourself needing to send a PDF via email and felt unsure of the steps, don't worry. I'm here to help guide you through the process in a simple, clear, and approachable way. By the end, you'll be able to confidently attach PDFs to your emails, ensuring your files are sent securely and efficiently. Let's start by opening a browser and navigating to the Gmail website. This part is straightforward. Simply type gmail.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll be directed straight to your inbox. This is where you'll see a list of your emails, with new messages prominently displayed at the top. Moving on, locate the Compose button, typically found in the upper left corner of the screen. Clicking on this will bring up a new email window. Here, you'll need to fill in the standard email fields: the recipient's email address in the To field, a subject line to summarize the content of your email, and if you'd like, a message in the body of the email to give context or additional information to your recipient. Now comes the important part: attaching your PDF. Look for a paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. This is the universal symbol in email platforms for attaching files. When you click on it, a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate through your computer's directories to find the PDF you wish to send. You can organize your files by date, size, or name to make the search easier. Once you've located it, click to select the PDF and then press Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. You'll see your file attaching at the bottom of the email window. It's crucial to ensure the attachment has been successfully uploaded. You'll typically see the file's name, size, and occasionally even its icon after it uploads. This visual confirmation means the file is ready to be sent along with your email. Before you press Send, take a moment to double-check all the details. Ensure the correct recipient is listed, the subject line is accurate, and your PDF appears in the attachment section. Finally, click Send, and your email along with the PDF attachment will be on its way to your recipient. By following these steps, you'll find that sending a PDF through Gmail is both quick and easy. With this knowledge, you can handle your email attachments like a pro, making your communication more effective and professional. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more handy tech tips.